will get promoted in front of other people. See, Joseph had a gift of interpretation, and Pharaoh had a dream, but he couldn't find anyone that could interpret his dream. The only person that could do it was Joseph. So that caused Joseph to get dug out of the pit because of his gift that he had, because of the talent that he had that no one else did, which caused him to glorify God in front of him, to let him know that, hey, I can't do this by myself. I only can do it through God. So when I say God will promote you in front of others, I mean, you could go through so much stuff, or you can be in a pit yourself at once upon a season, time, right now, whatever the case may be. And because of something that's within you that's not within others, God will put you in a position to be blessed in front of other people, to simply promote your gifts and talents that maybe the next person doesn't have. That is why feeding evil with more evil is never right. Never step on someone else's toes because they stepped on yours. Never cut in line. Especially when you know you are blessed, when you know you are gifted, never cut in line. Your turn will come. Never cut in front of the people who cut in front of you. Do not do that. In due time, God will always remove the people who are in your way, who is in his child's way, just so you can be promoted, just so you can glorify that he did it for you. See, the parable of the weeds in the field goes like this. The one who sowed the good seed is the Son of Man, and the enemy who sows them is the devil. The harvest is the end of age, and the harvesters are angels. The field is the world, and the good seed are the children of the kingdom, and the weeds are the children of the evil one. So when you are following one specific path, and you intend on glorifying God for the rest of your life because you know how blessed you are, you know how covered you are, you never have to worry about people who sow bad seeds. Never. They will most certainly get removed out of your way eventually. Maybe their true colors will show. Maybe they will ghost you. Maybe they will walk away from you. Whatever the case may be, they will always get removed from your path. And if you ever notice, every time someone who's sown bad seeds, someone who isn't good for you, get removed out of your life gets 10 times more better. Your energy starts to feel more peaceful. You start to elevate. You start to get even more blessed, and blessings start pouring in even more. And it's like your promotion is undeniable and endless. That is why sometimes the Most High will hide you in plain sight. He will have everybody overlook you just so he can flash your light in front of other people when it's time. And your blessing and your promotion can come when others least expect it. And this is when people have 100% guaranteed that you will not get past them, or you will not surpass them, or you will not get that promotion, or you will not level up, or you will not be blessed. That is when the Most High will bless you in front of other people. Especially when he sees that you never gave up, when you are joyous through trials and tribulations. Because you know that only produces steadfastness. You see, most people can't be joyous through that. Most people feel like, it's the end of time. You start to realize how many tests you've already passed. How many obstacles you've already stepped over. This is why when you finally start to get promoted, people will start to act like they've seen your vision from the start. Or they were with you from the start. Because with elevation and promotion and blessings comes love, comes new friends, comes new opportunities, new connections. So you must rejoice in hope and be patient in tribulation and in constant prayer always. Especially when you pray to have the standards like Christ. When you pray for integrity like Joseph. When you pray to always choose the Most High, your promotion is coming. If it already came, congratulations. If you feel it coming, congratulations. But that was it for today's chat, y'all. Thank you so much for watching Chats with Carmia. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you love this video. Thank you.